So I'm going to add the UV bar to the HLG 650R Diablo. Just quickly show you how to do it. I'm going to loosen I'm going to actually take out the two bolts that are holding the driver back here, okay? So you get two clips like this. There you go. I highly recommend getting a second person on this. If not, take off one side at a time. I'm embarrassed to even show how bad I just look trying to get this stuff together. But yeah, you might want to grab, I'll show you on the back what it looks like here in a second. But this wasn't as easy as I So, now you can see what the back looks like. So, the wire holder for everything, there's two of them. There's one on each side. You can see the bolt here. So, when I took both of them off and brought this down, I had to get all the clips and everything. So, I highly recommend either getting a second person or just leave one side connected, disconnect the other one, and then put the light on. This comes with a 3-set plug on it, okay? So it'll grab that other power on there, okay? Ultraviolet radiation. Don't look at this lamp, especially without sunglasses on or welding mask or something. That's all there is to it, people.